Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, you wanna learn about HTML grouping tags. There are two types of tags. One is div and another one is spam. Let's get into the video. Let's get started. First, I have set up a HTML document and type it as HTML. And inside that, you're gonna type it as body. Now, if you are willing to make a table and list in the same document, like I am typing table row table data, and I'm having this as heading, putting the live server, yeah, and next table data is making a simply company. It will be appear in the two table columns, and if I need to code some order list and unordered list in an HTML document, let's try it in the browser. Ordered list, and the list item will be salary, and the next list item will be company. This is the table and this is a list. You need to separate this from this. You can separate by using a tag called div. Divide these two entire topics with the separator. You can divide by using a div tag. Now let's click as a div tag and cut this code and paste it below the table ending. Now you can identify that this division is one of the division in HTML tag, and you can create another division and you can just cut it out and paste it above the body ending. Yeah, there are two divisions in HTML tag. There is no difference in web browser when you change the code into a div or spam. If you change the code into spam, it will change in more colors. That is your wish when you change the browser. Now you can name this div with any variable with the help of class you will see in the future videos. And now this is mean by div. Now I need to create, there are two div sections inside the body. Now you are creating if you create a CSS document and type it as body and open parenthesis and close parenthesis, inside that you want to give the any style tag, it won't be changed in the browser because there are two divisions inside the body tag. It's pretty cool and awesome to make a two different contents separated by a div tag. This video is fully about a div and spam tag. Let's see about the spam, how it works in the browser. Now I can change this as heading is boss. Now you can see this difference in this heading is the boss. Now I need this is to be bold. You can type it as bold and you can keep this and there is in between this. And now I don't need to use b, and I need to specify now I need to specify this is by using spam to separate and color them with more colors and browsers. Now you can color this by a spam tag. Let's see how it works. Spam. Now put this is into this spam. Now you can't see any difference in the browser because I didn't change any color or CSS element in spam. Now you can select the style and just color it as blue. Now you can see the difference in this browser. Now I'm zooming, yeah, there is blue color. You can change any color that you want. If you are willing to do in this h1, it will be not able to run on your browser because it get to another line. Let's see h1, and I'm typing is take you to the another line. This is more complicated. If it is more simple when you use spam tag to avoid the division of lines by using the h1 tag, and it will be more easy to use the style tag also. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. If you need to contact me, you can contact me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The link is on the description. If you missed my previous video, it will be on the I button. Let's check it out and see you in the next video guys. Signing off from Vicky. Bye.